Today I'll explain some more divisibility tests. Instead of doing big division, on seeing the number itself we can find out whether it is divisible by some numbers. So these divisibility tests are used to reduce our time. Am I right? Okay. Let me explain divisibility test by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are 0 or the number formed by its last two digits are divisible by 4. Say I am taking one example, 9800. Look here, last two digits are 00. So it is divisible by 4. Okay, next one. Similarly, if the last two digits are divisible by 4 also, the full number is divisible by 4. See, I am taking one more example, 68,79,376. Look here, what are last two digits? 76. It is divisible by 4. 1 time 19 times it's going, no? So 76 is divisible by 4. So 68,79,376 is also divisible by 4. Okay, next one, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. Say I am taking one number 55,055. Look here, what is last digit? Units place 5. So it is divisible by 5. Okay, next example 58,900. Last digit is units place is 0. So it is divisible by 5. Okay, next one, divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. I have already explained divisibility condition for 2 and 3. For 2, last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then for divisibility for 3, I told you to add all the digits. If it is divisible by 3, then the full number is divisible by 3, I told. So if it satisfies for these two, then it is definitely divisible by 6. That is the condition. Next, divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits are 0 or the number formed by its last 3 digits are divisible by 8. I am taking one example, 7,000. See, what are last 3 digits? 0, 0, 0. Now divide it by 8. 8 times it is going, 8 8s are 64. After subtraction I got 6, bringing down the next term 60. Then 7 8s are 56. What is the remainder? 4. Then in 40 it is going 5 times. So in 7,000, 8 is going 875 times. So it is divisible by 8. Okay. Similarly, if the number formed by its last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the full number is also divisible by 8. Let us see one example from it. Now, let me explain one more problem from Agarwal book. This is also based on number system. If a number, one 6-digit number is given, it is completely divisible by 8, then the smallest number in the place of x will be dash. That is the question. This question they are asked in SSC CGL 2020. Okay. If a number should be divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits are divisible by 8. What are last 3 digits? 5x4. This 5x4 should be divisible by 8. If it is divisible by 8, then the full number will be divisible by 8. That is the condition. But it should start from 0. X value should start from 0. Because smallest number they are asking. So first I am taking it as 0. Suppose if it is divisible, 504 is divisible by 8, no problem. That is the correct answer. If it is not divisible by 8, then you should take x value as 1, you should proceed. Now 504. I am dividing it by 8. 8 is going in 56 times, 6 8s are 48, remainder is 2. Then in 24 it is going 3 times. So 24 minus 24, I am getting remainder as 0. So the value of x is 0. So Option 1 is the correct answer. Thank you.